Hello friends, welcome back to the new video of MongoDB tutorials. So let's get started. So those who haven't subscribed my channel, please do subscribe my channel and hit like to my video. So let's see. So today we are going to learn about the finding a specific one and using the find one, how we are going to find only one data with a specified one. Okay, so let's see that. So here we have only the find one records. So I'm only want which have the category news find. Okay, so here you can see that I'm going to paste it find category one news. Okay, so only one record is fetched. Okay, so now I'm going to the database and do the manipulation. Okay, you can see that the category news already have the one records. Okay, so I'm going to go and make it this one also news. Okay, and save this, and I'm going to fetch again category news. So it fetch only one record. Okay, so which record it is fetching? What we have in the first coming one, right? Not the last one. So you can also add the decreasing order or in decreasing order, like only the last one record gonna be fetched. So this is how the find one works. So it only fetch one recorder in spite of being it has the two records existed in. Okay, so next we can see that we can also find with the title whatever with the title contains the post one. Okay, and it will return the title and the author. Okay, so this I'm going to paste this one, and you can see that post one is there. Let me check. I think post 2 is there, post 3 is there, post 1 is not there. So post 2 is there, so I'm going to copy this one. I'm going to fetch the records. You can see that no record is finding over here, so I'm going to paste it. And post 2, you can see that id title is there, so a title and author we have fetched. Okay, successfully. So you can see that we can also make it like pretty one db dot find this one dot pretty. Okay, and see that this is the record having the title post 2. Okay, and we have made the title and the author 1 1. Okay, so this is how we are going to fetch a particular, we can see that find whatever we have title, we specify that post type 2 title we are going to fetch it. So this is how we can fetch the with the help of the find one, right? So that's it for now, and let's see in the coming video what we are going to make it. Okay, so yeah, update is pending. Now how we can update a record, how we can rename a record, how to drop a collection, how to drop a database. So these things are pending from my side, and it will come in the coming video. Okay, so don't forget to like, share and comment on my video. And if you want to upload more videos on any other technologies, let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.